Hey guys, it's Mrs. Hully here, and today we are going to work on some more of our combination problems. And what we're going to do today is think of all the different combinations of numbers we can add together to make 5. Here is our problem. There were 5 pumpkins on the porch. Some were carved and some were not. Show all the different ways the pumpkins could have looked. Well, I can't really show carved and not carved pumpkins, so I'm going to use an orange square and a red square to make our two different groups. So in my first row here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins. So if I have, let me move these squares over so you can see them. I'm going to fill up this first row. So if I fill this up, how many orange pumpkins do you see in this top row? Good, you see 0. How many red pumpkins do you see? Good, 5. So if we have 0 plus 5 more, that gives us 5. That's our first combination. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now on my next row, if I have 1 orange, how many pumpkins do I have left that will be red? I will have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I have 1 orange plus 4 reds, that gives me 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. I'm going to give you just a minute to make sure you have that copied down before we do our next problem. Okay, on our next problem, we're going to make 2 orange pumpkins. 1, 2. So if I have, let me fix that one so it looks a little better. So if I have 2 orange pumpkins, how many pumpkins will be red? Good, I will have 3 red pumpkins. 1, 2, and 3. So if I have 2 orange pumpkins plus 3 red pumpkins, it gives us 5. 2 plus 3 is another combination of 5. On my next row, what if I make 3 orange pumpkins? 1, 2, 3. If I have 3 orange pumpkins, how many red ones will I have? Good, I have 2. 1, 2. So that tells me that 3 plus 2 equals 5. And if we look here, we see 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So that shows us it doesn't matter what order we put these in. 2 plus 3 can give us 5, or 3 plus 2 can give us 5. On my next row, I'm going to do 1, 2, 4 orange pumpkins, and 1 red. So if I have 4 orange pumpkins plus 1 red pumpkin, I get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on my last problem, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange pumpkins. So if I have 5 pumpkins plus 0 red pumpkins, I get 5. So our combinations of 5 are 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1, and 5 plus 0. Those are all of our combinations of 5. So what you're going to do next on your next page, you'll see a problem just like the one we just did with leaves. Your problem here says, I collected 6 leaves for my leaf collection. Some were red and some were yellow. Show all of the combinations I could have. So I'm going to do the first couple with you, and this time I want you to try this one on your own. So we have red leaves and yellow leaves. So on my first one, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make 6 yellows. Do you see any red leaves? Nope, there's no red ones, so I'm going to put a 0. 0 red leaves plus 6 yellow leaves gives us 6. On my next row, I'm going to do 1 red leaf plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many red leaves did we have? Good, we had 1. And how many yellow leaves did we have? Good, we had 5. So 1 plus 5 will give us 6. So now your job, what I want you to do is finish the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combinations. We've done 2 together. Now I want you to see what combinations you can come up with on your own. Great work today, and I will see you for math tomorrow.